dusty track, caught in the void and empty space in between there and back. And the paradise of going somewhere that's still so far away. Smile for just as long as I can. Heaven, doo-dee-doo-doo, heaven. It's all bright in front, it's all dark behind. Living for the now that's in between the bridges and the signs. And getting there is still a long, long way to go, while the others dream and wish this is everything I officially need to know. Smile for just as long as I can.
All his cards you like to tell you just a word. I am so sorry to disturb. You may be thinking I'm a fool. I heard you telling you don't care. I heard you thinking loud and clear. Doesn't make me proud of you. I know your time is precious, but give me just a second. I need to straighten things out with you. You blew my hopes and dreams away, and there is not a single day I don't feel the worst because of you. And I know that it's not a dream, but I saw yeah, I saw your skin. And I know you, I saw. I wonder if there's a justice when I look right into your eye. Those feelings never lie. My only weapon is the song, and you won't have to sing alone. This is the story of my life. And I know that it's not a dream, but I saw. Yeah, I saw your skin. And I know you, I saw. I saw, and I know, no. 'Cause I know that it's not a dream, but I saw. Yeah, I saw your skin, and I know you, I saw. Yeah, I know.
Bruised and battered, I couldn't tell what I felt. I was unrecognizable to myself. I saw my reflection in a window and didn't know my own face. Oh brother, are you gonna leave me wasting away on the streets of Philadelphia? Avenue till my legs felt like stone. I heard the voices of friends vanished and gone. At night I could hear the blood in my veins, just as black and whispering as the rain on the streets of Philadelphia. Ain't no angel gonna greet me. It's just you and I, my friend. And my clothes don't fit me no more. I walk 1,000 miles just to slip this skin. The night is falling, I'm lying awake. I can feel myself fading away. So receive me, brother, with you faithless kiss, or will we leave each other alone like this on the streets of Philadelphia?